When most people think about 3D animation, they think about movies, big animated films, game cinematics, visual effects. But here's the truth. Movies are just a small part of where 3D is actually used. In fact, some of the biggest opportunities for 3D artists exist in industries most people never even think about. And by the end of this video, you might completely change how you see a 3D career. In this video, we're going to break down 10 different industries that use 3D animation. Some of them are obvious, but others are surprising and might even offer better opportunities than movies or games. And there's one industry near the end that is growing very fast right now. Because once you understand where 3D is actually used, you stop asking, "Can I get a job in 3D?" and start asking, "Which industry should I choose?" Let's start with the obvious one. 1. Film and visual effects. This is what most people imagine. Movies, TV shows, and cinematic visuals. Studios use tools like Autodesk Maya to create characters, environments, special effects. This industry is exciting, but also very competitive. 2. Video games. Game development is another major industry. 3D artists create characters, environments, animations, props. Many modern games rely on real-time engines like Unreal Engine 5. This field continues to grow as gaming becomes more popular globally. But now let's move into industries most beginners don't think about. 3. Product animation and advertising. Companies use 3D animation to promote products like phones, cars, gadgets. Instead of filming real products, they often create them in 3D using tools like Blender. Why? Because 3D gives them full control over lighting, motion, and detail. 4. Architecture visualization. Before buildings are constructed, they're visualized in 3D. Artists create interiors, exterior views, walkthrough animations. This helps clients and investors see projects before they are built. 5. Medical and scientific visualization. This one surprises a lot of people. 3D animation is used to explain how the human body works, how diseases spread, how medical equipment functions. Hospitals and research institutions rely on these visuals for education and training. And now we're getting into industries that are growing very fast. 6. E-commerce and online marketing. Many online brands use 3D animation for product ads, social media content, website visuals. These animations help products stand out in a crowded online space. 7. Education and e-learning. Schools and online platforms use 3D animation to explain complex topics. For example, science concepts, engineering processes, historical reconstructions. 3D makes learning more visual and easier to understand. 8. Automotive industry. Car companies use 3D animation for commercials, product design previews, promotional videos. Many car ads you see today are partly or fully created in 3D. 9. Engineering and industrial design. Companies use 3D animation to show how machines work, how products are assembled, how systems function. This is often used for training, presentations, and technical explanations. 10. Virtual reality and simulation. This is one of the fastest growing areas. 3D animation is used in VR experiences, training simulations, virtual environments. Industries like aviation, military, and education use simulations for training. So when people ask, is there opportunity in 3D animation? The answer is yes, but not just in movies or games. The real opportunity comes from understanding how many industries need visual content, because 3D animation is not just entertainment. It's a tool used to communicate ideas across industries. And once you understand this, the next big question becomes, which skills actually matter across all these industries? If you want to build a real career in 3D animation, understanding the industry is just as important as learning the tools. So if you want more videos like this about where the real opportunities are, which skills actually matter, and how to grow faster as a 3D artist, make sure to subscribe. In the next video, we're going to break down something a lot of beginners struggle with: Why some 3D artists get clients and jobs while others stay stuck. The reason is not what most people think. I'll see you in the next one.